No, in a SAP product that is not possible. In a SAP product, no, that is not. That is slightly difficult. So you can't. SAP, the changes of language is slightly difficult. So you can change your Telugu and all.
But for the cloud, you know that we need only internet explorer means that we have the license in all each terminal also. That license cost and my infrastructure cost is also very good. I have below 10 terminal, 20 terminal license of operating system also. That cost is also only the cost of like data center and then power.
Yes, so you have already a workstation, okay? You have already a desktop or something.
Normally, we don't have like new company. We just want to use cloud computing. We need the license window operating system terminal either desktop or laptop.
That's it. Nothing. There's nothing else is required. So आपको एक desktop और laptop ही चाहिए उसका access. Okay, so we'll take your other questions later on. I'm just passing to my another friend. Yeah.
जो एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं उनके लिए किस प्रकार जैसे उनको अकाउंटिंग वगैरह और प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट है वो सारा होगा जिसमें डिजाइनिंग का पार्ट भी क्योंकि वो
नहीं डिजाइनिंग तो आप अगर कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ
कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं
हाँ जी
डिजाइनिंग बाय के साथ कम्युनिकेशन
नहीं वो ऐसा कुछ इसमें नहीं कि आप अपना डिजाइन बना के बाहर को बेच सके और ऐसा कुछ ऐसा अवेलेबल नहीं है ताकि so basically
अकाउंटिंग एंड प्रोडक्शन
हाँ so basically your core business processes को आप ऑटोमेट कर सकते हैं आप थ्रू दिस एप्लीकेशन बायर को कुछ जैसे आपको इनवॉइस भेजनी है या कुछ भेजना है आप वो भेज सकते हैं बट डिजाइनिंग
रिक्वायरमेंट डाल सकते हैं
हाँ आप रिक्वायरमेंट कैप्चर कर सकते हैं आपको कोई डिजाइनिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स है तो आप वो कैप्चर कर सकते हैं कि बायर की ये डिजाइनिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स है इसके हिसाब से उसको कोड देना है या इसके हिसाब से उसका प्रोडक्शन करना है सो दैट यू कैन कैप्चर
एंड बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल
दैट यू कैन Okay, thanks all of you. I'm here. You can ask me questions after this session. So, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Malhotra. Moving on from the last presentation of the evening, is by Mr. Saurabh Tandon. He's a business manager for North for SAP. Mr. Tandon has been with SAP for the last 3 years and has over 10 years of experience in ERP. Mr. Tandon will be speaking on SAP ERP on the cloud. With this, I welcome Mr. Tandon to the dance.
Good evening, gentlemen. I'm Saurabh Tandon representing SAP India. I've been with SAP for 3 years. I take care of North and Upcountry market for SAP SME segment, that is small and mid enterprise. So the mid enterprise segment basically for SAP constitutes around 0 to 1500 crore group. So there are few points I think from this side of the table and from that side of the table that SAP can be affordable or cannot be affordable by the small companies or it is only meant for the big companies. So the agenda for today's presentation I would like to cover in today's presentation about that what is SAP. I think most of the people here is completely aware about SAP as a product. But SAP as a company, SAP as a delivery center, SAP as a product company, SAP as a consulting company. So I would like to take care of those queries in small brief details, not much of a details. So to start with solution for growth. So SAP is considered to be a solution for growth software. A company is like having a small turnover 30-40 crore company is basically using SAP for last couple of years. And SAP helped them in growing. So that's the reason why we are saying that SAP is basically a solution for growth. Some facts about SAP. We established ourselves in India in 1996. So it's a 15th current running year. And we are almost around touching around SAP AG I'm talking about. SAP AG is Advanced Global, that is SAP Germany. So we are almost around 65,000 crore group. Almost more than 65,000 employees are working for us, including all the sales force and consultants, all technical guys, all basic guys. providing more than 29 solution verticals, including all automotive, all pharma, chemical, you take textile, you take retail. SAP is basically leader in providing a solution to all those verticals. Not only the verticals, in fact, if you talk about micro verticals within retail, you have a CPG, that is a consumer product, like Hindustan Unilever, you have a fashion retail. So all the requirements has been met by SAP as a product. 12 million users in 120 plus odd countries with different languages, with different process, with different verticals. But the only common thing they are using is SAP. So SAP helps in basically providing the support and also help them to grow. These are the three facts, like integrate their business processes, like extend their competitive capabilities while using SAP and get a better return of investment at a very lower cost. So in a small medium enterprise, we understand that the cost is a major concern. So we'll try to find out that what maximum return of investment we can provide you with the limited cost. So that's the reason why we are coming with a model like SAP on cloud. There are other models. There is another model called SAP on premises. So this is basically more of a credential-based model which we are working and which we have been successfully implemented in the last 15 years. The positive side of SAP we talk about, we are basically running by the partners. So there are almost, in India, if you talk about, there are 60 to 70 partners which are currently actively basically supporting as well as positioning SAP as a product in the market. Each and every partner is basically into different verticals. Some of them specialize in chemicals, some of them specialize in textile, some of them are in retail. So there are specific set of partners, so which basically runs the implementation part and SAP. And as far as the strategy of SAP in India is concerned, in mid-enterprise, it's been driven by the partner only. So we have a very strong integrated partner network. It's basically a part of our ecosystem only. Overall, more than 2 lakh SAP partner certificates. So if you talk about SAP, every 10% you will find out 2 or 3% is basically SAP competent. Whether it's a functional or whether it's ABAP or whether it's basis or a technical stuff. SAP in India, this is how SAP in India is placed. We are headquarters in Bangalore and all the regional offices in all cities in India. And besides Metro, we have an office in Hyderabad. So it's reachable across the country, whether it's sub-country or whether it's a metropolitan city. So if we talk about in terms of SAP India, for last 3 or 4 years, SAP India has emerged as the greatest market across the world. So people from the top in Germany also recognize that. And that is one of the reasons why they have opened 2 SAP Global Delivery Centers in Bangalore. And the other one is in Gurgaon. So the objective of those GDC and Global Delivery Centers is basically to come up with the new batches, a new government and new enhancement in the product. So that is the reason. So most of the enhancements and most of the product research is basically based off India only. There are such 5 centers available across country, and out of 5 we have 2 centers in India. So you can recognize the kind of focus which SAP Germany, our headquarters, have in India. If we talk about customers, 8 out of 12 Navratna state PSUs runs SAP. 9 out of 10 most profitable and largest companies runs SAP. 24 out of 30 companies in Sensex run SAP. 21 of the 25 brands in SAP